one and everyone. Standard 12 Commerce, subject statistics part 2. In we take practical example based on chapter number 3, that is normal probability distribution. This normal probability distribution is one of the important continuous type probability distribution. Last time we have studied the theoretical part and the basic example. Basic example means area under the normal curve for some standard values we have seen so far. Now today we take the illustration example from our textbook. See, in our textbook on page number 104, illustration number 2, example number 2. We are given that average value or mean or mu equal to 20 and variance of the distribution is 16, and that is why standard deviation is root of 16 means 4. ST means sigma equal to 4. The required probability for x less than 26 and x greater than 14, 1 and 2. Now we have to convert, we have to transfer the normal variant into standard normal variant. X is the normal variant and Z is the standard normal variant. What is the formula for converting Z into Z? X minus mu upon sigma. X means 26, mu means 20 and sigma means 4. Subtraction is 6 by 4. 6 by 4 means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Less than means area left side to this value. Less than means left hand side. Area left hand side to this value. Now 1.5. We know that 1.5 lies somewhere here, right side to 0. This is 1.5 position, right? Draw the diagram. Draw this normal curve and then calculate. This diagram is compulsory because it's compulsory. Now 1.5 lies somewhere here and area left hand side to this value means 0 to 1.5 and minus infinity से लेकर 0 तक. All this area is required probability or required region, the shaded part, right? Z less than 1.5 means minus infinity से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर 1.5 तक. But we know that area from minus infinity to 0 और 0 से लेकर infinity तक दोनों एरिया सेम रहेगा. 0.5000 means 0.5 plus 1.5, the double value. See the textbook page number 212. The Z table, normal value table. It is 0.4332 and this part we have seen last time. So addition of these two quantity or number 0.9332 is the required answer. Result number 1 or answer number 1. X greater than 14 is the another question in this example. This is sub part, right? X is normal variant greater than 14. Greater than means right side to this value. But first of all, we have to convert this 14 in terms of Z. Z equal to x minus 3 upon sigma, 14 minus 20 upon 4, right? Minus 6 by 4, 3 by 2 with minus sign. That is why minus 1.5. And the required area is right side to this value. Right side to minus 1.5. Now area right side to this value means minus 1.5 से लेकर right hand side का all area means minus 1.5 से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर infinity तक. Probability that Z greater than minus 1.5 means we have to add minus 1.5 से 0 plus 0 से लेकर infinity, right? But we know that minus 1.5 से लेकर 0 which is equivalent to 0 to 1.5 and 0 to 1.5 is 0.4332 and 0 to infinity we know that 0.5000 and addition of this two quantity 0.9332 is the required answer. Answer number 2 or result number 2. See, this practical example in the board exam or in the preliminary example can be asked in section E, that is for 4 marks. That is why this is much more important for you. Be practice very well. Draw the diagram or draw the figure and then calculate. Convert this x into z. Convert this x into z and then see the calculation or simplification. How to add, how to subtract, when to add and when to subtract. Right? We see one more example in this. We see one more example in this, right? See, on page number 106, illustration number 4, given that average or arithmetic mean or mu is 50 kilograms and standard deviation sigma equal 5 kilograms. The required area is probability between 55 and 65. Another second part, probability or area 35 and 45. Right? Here two values are given, and that is why we obtain the range. The range means between two values. This is considered as x1 and this is considered as x2. Therefore, from x1 we can obtain z1, from x2 we can obtain z2. z1 is given by x1 minus mu upon sigma. z2 is given by x2 minus mu upon sigma. See, this is x1 and this is x2. Two values are there. Therefore, we can obtain the range in between the value, right? X normal variate, Z standard normal variate, x1 minus mu upon sigma, 55 minus 50 upon 5, 55 minus 50 means 5, 5 by 5 means 1, Z1 equal to 1. Z2, x2 minus mu upon sigma, 65 minus 5 is 50 upon 5, that is 15 upon 5, 15 upon 5 means 3. Value of Z1, 1, value of Z2, 3. The required area between 1 and 3. Z between 1 and 3. We have to convert this x into Z. Probability that 1 less than Z less than 3. 1 and 3. Both lies right side to 0. Therefore, the calculation or the simplification is shown as below. First of all, area from 0 to 3, then we have to subtract the area from 0 to 1. Then we can obtain area of the shaded region. Therefore, 0 to 3, the table showing 0.4987, 0 to 1 means the table value 0.3413. The subtraction of these two quantity will give answer as 0.1574, result number or answer number 1. How to subtract and when to subtract is based upon this diagram. Therefore, diagram is compulsory. Because it is compulsory, we have to draw. We must to draw the. Otherwise, marks will not be given to you. Another value. Second part. Probability between 35 and 45. 45 is value of x1 and 45 value of x2. Consider it as x1 and consider it as x2. From x1 we can obtain z1. From x2 we can obtain z2. Now z1 is given by x1 minus mu upon sigma. Mu average value or mean of the distribution, normal distribution. Sigma the standard deviation of the normal distribution. Sometimes variance is also given, and from variance we can obtain standard deviation. Z2 x2 minus mu upon sigma. Now x1 is 35. Therefore, 35 minus 50 upon 5, it becomes minus 3. This is 45. 45 minus 50 upon 5, it becomes minus 1 because minus 5 upon 5 it becomes minus 1. Therefore, area between 35 and 45, which is same as or which is equivalent as area between minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 3 and minus 1. Z equal to 0. Both the value lies left hand side to 0. This is the shaded part, is the required region. This is. Right? Probability that 35 less than x less than 45. This is normal variate and these are in the form of standard normal variate. We are given z, therefore we must convert x first of all into z and then calculate the example. Right? Minus 3 से लेकर 0 तक subtract minus 1 से लेकर 0 तक. Minus 3 to minus 1 which is same as this area minus this area, then you can obtain this one, right? Minus, but we know that minus 3 to 0 is same as 0 to 3 and minus 1 to 0 which is same as 0 to 1 because we are given area. See the top of the table, page number 212, statistics part 2, right? Area from 0 to z. Area from 0 to z, right hand side to 0. Therefore minus 3 to 0 which is same as 0 to 3, and minus 1 to 0, which is same as 0 to 1. Both area are 0.4987. 4987 minus 0.3413. The subtraction will give you answer as 0.1574. Answer number 2 or reason number 2. See, these are most important method for you that can be asked in the examination. We take more example, but you must practice this type of sum. Keep the textbook with you, see the videos, use PDF or practice book and do the example from our textbook, illustration or in our syllabus this year. Because some portion cut also, that part we are not going to take in this chapter just now. Only this portion we take, that part you keep, means government keep in our syllabus at this time 2021 examination. So thank you everyone. See you. Okay, madam.